Have you ever been stuck in a coding loop only to be hit with an error that leaves you scratching your head? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common JavaScript error: cannot read property symbol.iterator of undefined. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues, especially when dealing with prototypes and the this keyword. Let's break down the specific situation you're facing. You mentioned trying to loop through an array using a custom any prototype method, but you're running into an error that says cannot read property symbol.iterator of undefined. This can be quite puzzling, right? Let's figure this out together. So what does this error mean? It suggests that the context of this in your .any method is not what you expect. In JavaScript, this can be tricky, especially when dealing with prototypes. Let's explore why this might be happening. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the error, the user should first understand that the issue arises from how the this keyword is being used in the prototype method. In JavaScript, this refers to the context in which a function is called. In this case, it is not referring to the array as expected. To fix this, the user can change the way the any method is defined. Instead of using an arrow function, which does not bind its own this, the user should use a regular function declaration. After updating the method, the user should test it again by calling the any function on the user's array. This should now work without throwing the type error. If the user continues to experience issues, they should ensure that the user's variable is indeed an array and is not undefined before calling the any method. Fun fact: JavaScript was created in just 10 days. Imagine if it took that long to debug your code. Thankfully, we have tools and communities to help us out. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests changing the way the any function is defined. Instead of using an arrow function, they recommend using a regular function declaration. This ensures that this correctly refers to the array being checked. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that using the array.prototype any method was unnecessary. Instead, they recommend using Mongoose to find a single user with the specified username. If a user is found, it sends a response indicating the username is already in use. Here's a pro tip: always be mindful of the context of this in JavaScript. Understanding how it works can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You've tackled the cannot read property symbol.iterator of undefined error. Remember, understanding this is key in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into JavaScript quirks.